Hello, little learners. Welcome to Joyful Start. Today we're going to meet some amazing animals that live on the farm. Are you ready? Let's go. Cow. Cow. Cows say moo moo. Can you moo like a cow? Say it with me. Moo moo. Cow. Hen. Hen. Hen says cluck cluck. Can you say it too? Cluck cluck. Great job. Did you know? A mother hen keeps her chicks warm under her wings. Hens lay eggs for us. Eggs are full of protein that makes us strong and healthy. Turkey. Turkey. Turkeys say, gobble, gobble. Did you know? A turkey's head changes color? When it's excited or scared, its head turns red, white, or blue. Sheep. Sheep. Sheep say ba ba. Sheep. Did you know? Sheep's wool keeps us warm in winter. Duck. Duck. Ducks say quack, quack. Did you know? Ducks love to swim in ponds, lakes, and rivers. They're excellent swimmers. Coat. Coat. Goats say meh meh. Coat. Did you know goats are amazing climbers? They can climb steep mountains, trees, and even tiny ledges on walls. They're like little mountain superheroes. Pig. Pig. Pigs say oink oink. Pig. Did you know pigs love playing in the mud to stay cool? Rooster. Rooster. Rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo. Did you know the red thing on top of their head is called a comb, and it helps them stay cool on hot days? Donkey. Donkey. Donkeys say hee-haw, hee-haw. Did you know donkeys are amazing helpers on the farm? They carry heavy loads and help farmers transport things like hay. Goose. Goose. Goose say honk honk. Great job, little learners. You did amazing today. We learned about so many farm animals and their sounds. See you next time on Joyful Start for more fun and learning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join us again. Bye-bye, friends. Thanks for watching.